Please, I request you to give this award for the great film writers for their drama.
I am very proud to give this award to the two great twin writers.
Thank you, sir.
I am having the important meeting in the parliament, so have to go. Thank you for inviting me.
Thank you, sir. Vaishnavi and Vaishali, I am having some interesting questions for you.
Yes, please.
Amicable Alina and Flexible Felina is your 30th drama. Am I right?
Yes, of course.
How did you get this wonderful theme?
Nice question. 6 months ago, we both read an interesting article in a newspaper. From that evening, we started writing this drama. The incident took place in South Africa. It's about a man and a robot.
Oh, it's quite interesting. I want to read the drama.
We'll explain it scene by scene.
Thank you, ma'am.
Scene 2 in South America.
Android,
Android 12.0 activated master.
Android, I am suffering from a severe headache since morning. Prepare a coffee for me.
Okay, master.
Make it fast, Android. Bring it soon.
I think I have put more sugar. Okay, master, I am on the way. Master, your coffee.
What happened to you, Android? Have you gone mad? Don't you know that I am a sugar patient? Why you put lots of sugar in my coffee? Fool, idiot, nonsense, stupid, nincompoop.
Master, can you unparliamentary word, master? Say sorry to me.
Sorry? I am your master and you are my slave. I won't say sorry to you.
Okay, you do not say sorry. Now you're not my master and I am not your slave. I'm going to punish you. That is your death.
No, you should not do that. I am your master.
Yeah, man, stop like that.
அவனுக்கு கண்ணு தெரியலையா
Oh my god! My robo! My project! My Android version 12.2 has visibly failed! Oh! My robo is killed by South African friend Viberoji! Future man, I regain my robo and upgrade version 12.5!
Hey, Farina, stop! What are you doing? Why are you wasting your food? Are you not hungry?
This food is not tasty. See? Mothers are feeding their children. But I'm so unlucky. No one was here to feed me.
Why, darling? Where is your mother?
My parents are working in America.
Okay, then where are you staying?
I'm staying in hostel.
Hostel? Then how did you get this lunchbox?
My auntie will give me the food. She gives the same food.
Food from the home only, no? Why don't you eat it?
No! She gave me the food without any love. A food without love is equal to the poison. I don't want to eat this.
I can understand, darling. You're missing your mother and you're longing for your mother's love. You know that teachers are second parents. Give me the box. I will feed you.
No, ma'am. I don't want to trouble you.
Nothing to worry. Give me the box. How is it now?
It's very tasty because you fed with your mother's love. Ma'am, today you fed me. But what about tomorrow?
Of course, it is not possible. It is better to keep a maid servant with you. Ask your parents.
Yes, ma'am. I will talk to my father about it later.
No, don't delay. Come on, now itself. Have my phone, call your father.
Hello, who is it?
Dad, I'm Felina, speaking from India.
Why are you disturbing me in my office time? What happened?
Actually, my mom wants to talk to you.
Okay, give to her.
Hello, sir. I'm Felina's teacher.
Ma'am, is anything wrong with her?
No, sir. I think so. Felina is lagging in her mother's love. It is better to keep a maid servant.
Maid servant?
Yes, sir. Maid servant. If you keep a maid servant, she will be taking care of her.
Okay, ma'am, I'll think about it. Give the phone to my daughter.
Felina, your father wants to talk with you. Take care.
Dad, when are you going to send a maid servant?
Instead of a maid servant, we can keep a robot which will help you in all situations.
Robo? Wow, it's quite interesting. When are you going to send it?
Okay, I will send it to her. Your mother is free, talk to her.
Hello, Felina?
Mom?
See, Felina, don't disturb us during our working hours. For us, every minute is like $1,000.
I didn't call him. Actually, my mom wanted to talk to him.
Whatever it may be, don't disturb us.
Dad said he will send a robo.
He will send it soon, Felina. Be flexible.
Your phone, ma'am. Thank you.
Hey, Felina, stop. Why are you in color dress? Where is your uniform?
Actually, we all are going to take part in cultural program.
That's fine. Take care.
Scene 4 in girls' hostel.
Hey, Felina, what are you doing?
Alina. I'm Android 12.5 sent by your parents.
Wow! It's quite interesting!
I'm a friendly worker. I will do all types of work for you.
You're going to be friendly with me, so I have to give some name for it. Ranjini, is there any other word for friendly?
Yes, by chance I read my dictionary yesterday. In that I came across the word amicable. That means friendly.
Oh. Hereafter, your name is amicable Alina. You're Alina, I'm Felina.
Alina, name registered. Thank you.
Hey, where is the courier boy? He didn't get signed from us. I think he has gone to heaven itself.
Okay, friends, I'm going to sleep. If you have any doubt, you can consult my robot.
Maths is the toughest subject for me. Can you teach me?
Give me the book. This is very simple.
Oh, you both are still studying. I feel hungry.
What to do? Nothing is there to eat.
See, there is an apple on the table. I will eat that.
Okay, go and eat.
Oh, Felina!
Oh, Felina, what happened?
Instead of cutting the apple, I have cut my finger.
Go and bring the first aid. Wait and go.
Here is the first aid box. Catch her.
See, your robo has brought it.
Thank you, Alina. But I still feel hungry. Come, let's go to the canteen.
Hey, no. She has already ordered to a delivery man. Yes, he will come within 5 minutes.
Hey, no. Today is Friday. In our canteen, they'll prepare momos. Come, let's go and eat that.
Felina, stop. No need to go in there. Here is your breakfast.
Breakfast? When did you prepare it?
I have prepared it half an hour back itself.
What you have prepared? You might prepare a boring idli, dosa, vada, puri. I don't want to eat that.
Nona, I have prepared your favorite momos.
Momos? Wow! It's highly impossible. How do you know my favorite food?
I know everything.
But I have injury in my hand. How can I eat?
Don't feel. You think me as a mother. I will feed you. But wait a minute.
Thank you, Alina. See, your robo is helping you in all the situations. So she is amicable, Alina. You are flexible, Selena.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, your order, ma'am.
Cancel that order.
But ma'am, why did you cancel the order?
See, our robo had made wonderful momos, so we have cancelled our order.
Robo? From where did the robo come? It is spoiling my business. I will take revenge on the robo.
ராகவ் போலாமா அம்மா கூப்பிடுச்சுடா
Scene 5 in street. Oh, Belina, what happened? I think she's suffering from fever. I think she might have taken the food from the fridge. What to do? Come, let's go to hospital.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, I am having all types of tablets. I am selling these tablets too. You can take what tablet you need.
Medicine, tablet, she's suffering because of you, because of your food, which you gave her last week.
Because of me?
Yes.
Don't blame me. I am not responsible for this. I don't want your money or commission. Goodbye. But before going, I want to ask you a thing. Where is your robo?
Where is Alina? Yes, where is she?
Low battery, charge me. Low battery, charge me.
There is no power in the area. Now how will you charge your robo? No, your robo is a useless iron box. It is all because of my curse.
Let's take her to hospital. Come.
Scene 6 in the hospital.
Alina.
doctors are trying to swindle the money.
Is anybody having B positive blood? She is anemic. Immediately I want B positive blood. Our blood is not suitable for her.
No, my blood group is different.
Mine is B positive. You can take my whole blood and save my child's life.
Please come in, ma'am.
Ranjini, Bhairavi, you both are Felina's best friend. Why don't you take care of her?
Ma, you sent such a wonderful robo. It is cooking, feeding, nursing, and even teaching, ma.
Robo? I didn't send any robo. There is a problem making the robo. So, it took some time to make the robo. Where does the robo come from?
From Heaven Couriers.
Heaven couriers? There is no such couriers in the world. Where is the robo now?
Alina, where is she? I think it has disappeared.
Disappeared? I think God has sent the robot to protect my child. Doctor, how's my daughter?
She is fine. She is not suffering from coronavirus. Just a viral fever. She is now perfectly alright. See, there she is coming. Take care of her.
Thank you, doctor.
Mom!
Are you fine, Felina?
Now you came now, Mom. I'm very fine.
I have brought momos for her. Feed her.
Robo cannot donate blood. Of course, the robo helped her a lot. But parents cannot be replaced by robo. Mother's love is superior in the world. Oh, it's a wonderful drama. I really like this. The theme is Mata, Pita, Guru, Devam. Mata, Pita, Guru, Devam are the ones who love everyone without any expectation.
Mother's love is eternal in the world. She is the best. Mother's love is the best.
Thank you.
Mankind cannot survive on this earth without love and affection. Caring and loving unite people and bring peace all over the world. இன்றைய